Let's look at another problem where we're determining dimensions. Example 2b, the total area of 3 congruent circles is 500 square centimeters. Find the approximate radius of each circle. All right, well, let's think about what congruent means. First of all, congruent means that our circles are the same. They're the same size. So I have 3 of the same size circles, and altogether, those circles' areas is 500 square centimeters. So if I take the area of this one circle times 3, I'm going to get this 500 square centimeters. So 3 times the area of a circle is 500 square centimeters. Now, how do we find the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r squared. So 3 times pi r squared equals 500. If I solve this equation, that'll help me figure out, or that will tell me what my radius is. All right, first thing here, I have my 3, I have my pi, I have my r squared. I want to find what r is, so I need to get this by itself. And 3 and pi are both numbers. And I know sometimes it's really easy to forget that pi is actually a number, but it is. So I'm going to start off by dividing both sides of my equation by 3 pi. Divide by 3 pi. And which I'll do in my calculator here. 500 divided by, and make sure you put your 3 pi in parentheses. Pi, if you forgot where it is, it's right here, right above the division sign. You have to hit second first. Alright, so 500 divided by 3 pi equals this long, messy number that's kind of gross looking. Leave this number in your calculator, because if we round this, the more off our answer will be. Okay, and kind of the same way with using this pi button instead of 3.14. Using that pi button instead of 3.14 is going to give us a much more exact answer. Alright, so r squared equals all of this. Okay. And just for having my work here, I'm going to write down r squared is about 53.05. But again, I want to leave this number in my calculator. Square root both sides. That gives me r by itself. Square root. To put this answer in, I'm going to hit second, my negative sign down here. And that'll take my answer and put it in. It's about 7.28 or 7.3, depending on how you want to round. I'll go to 7.28 though. So our circle's radius is 7.28. Centimeters.